In this video, I'll show you how to automate a workflow with N8N. Start by signing into your N8N account or opening your self-hosted N8N instance. Next, click Create Workflow to start a new automation. After that, click Add First Step and choose a trigger node. You can use triggers such as Schedule Trigger, Webhook, or an app-specific trigger like Gmail or Slack, depending on how you want the workflow to start. Now configure the trigger by entering the required settings. For example, if you're using a schedule trigger, choose how often you want the workflow to run. Next, click the plus button to add another node and select the app or action you want to automate, such as Google Sheets, Gmail, Notion, Airtable, or another supported service. After that, connect your account by creating a new credential if prompted, then authorize N8N to access the selected service. Now configure the action by selecting the operation you want to perform, such as creating a record, sending an email, updating a database, or posting a message. Next, continue adding additional nodes to build your workflow. You can use nodes like if, switch, merge, or code to add logic and customize how your automation behaves. After that, click Execute Workflow to test your automation and verify that every node completes successfully. Finally, click Activate in the top right corner to turn on your workflow so it runs automatically whenever the trigger conditions are met. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to automate a workflow with N8N. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.